Hey, few days back I came across an amazing animation on awards websites, an award-winning website or the nominees website. I came across that and I loved that, so that I tried creating it in Framer, and it was very simple and easy to create in Framer. So as soon as I scroll, as you can see, the the image you see or the text, whatever you have, right? It's it's scaling down, and the text you see, the scroll to view more, is also fading out, right? And as soon as I'm out of that particular section, my menu area, means my menu or the header, is showing up. So as soon as I scroll up, so it will go away. As you can see, this animation, it's very smooth and easy to create in Framer. So how I did it, let's look at it, right? So I have this image, and as you can see on the image, I have the animation. So what I'm doing here, I'm using the transform, scroll transform animation. So from let's say its original size to its, let's say, scaling it down to particular amount, right? So original size is like, let's say, 1, scale is 1, and I'm scaling it down to 0.2, and I'm also adding the offset, right? So it's not sticking to its particular position, but it's also moving, right? It's also moving to the bottom side while I'm scrolling it, right? So that it looks like a sticky and it doesn't go away, right? And let's say for this text one, so what I'm doing, again I'm using the scroll transformation, but section in view. Which section? The hero section. This hero section I have, right? It's in view, and from one of the opacity to 0 opacity, right? That's it, nothing. I'm not doing anything else, but the viewport is like middle. As soon as I reach the middle part reaches at the top, it will start fading out, right? It's very easy to create. And again, this animation of the top one, the header one animation, is right section in view, section 2, means as soon as this section 2 or the frame 2 shows up right in the middle, the animation will start playing, right? And the replay is yes, means if I'm scrolling back to the top or the bottom, it will start playing, right? So I don't have to go and just it plays one time, right? It plays continuously. So as I'm scrolling, as you can see, it's very smooth animation, but you can make it more smoother by adding your custom Lenis script to your custom code area. Right now it's not a paid website, so I can't do that, but you can do that if you have a paid website and create this animation for your project or for your client's project, right? So if you like this one, please give a like to this video.